Hello people, Shonen here, and today is Friday. It's the morning, it's a Friday morning, it's really awesome morning out there. It's sunny, it's bright. And yesterday I was at the, where was that? I was at 57th Street and I think 11th Avenue. We're at the 4th of July fireworks, and it was a lovely experience, get to see it again, like the third time. Technically, the second time didn't go well. It wasn't so well. Maybe because of the area I was. So I did get to interview a few people while I was there. So yeah, let's just take a look. Hey man, how are you enjoying this? You just got here?
Yeah, well, not too long ago, like 20 minutes ago.
Oh, 20 minutes ago?
Yeah.
You're excited for the fireworks?
Hell yeah.
Is this your first time here?
No, actually, like my third time.
Oh, the third time?
Yeah.
What about you? Great first time? So when was your first time and your second time?
Oh, that was in Jersey, like 3 years ago, then 2 years ago, and then I moved to Miami and just come back.
Oh, I see.
So the first time in New York, pretty much, but it's like the third time I see the fireworks in my life.
How do you feel when you see the fireworks? Like, what comes to you?
Well, it's amazing. I like the lighting, all the sounds, like just good, amazing. To celebrate the independence of this country is something good to teach to your kids, to your friends, and all that.
All right, man. All right, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot. I'm here with some New Yorker here.
My name is Zach, by the way.
All right, nice to meet you. So let me ask you, is this your first time here at the fireworks?
Yeah, this is my first time.
First time?
Yep. Just moved to the city September, so I came down here because it's my first time outside, right here near the river, and I'm really excited about seeing the fireworks.
So you probably came far for this?
Not really. I mean, I took the train down here from 125th.
Also, it's no problem. No problem. All right, so you never seen fireworks before in your life, like in person?
I never really been outside to see them, so
okay.
This will actually be my first time to see them.
Okay, so I'm assuming you watch them on television.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what do you see what comes to you when you see fireworks? Like what do you imagine?
That shouldn't really be a difficult question. Everything's just looking very pretty. Everything is loud. Everyone's getting very excited about it. But when I see fireworks, it's just that everything's beautiful and gorgeous. So
it's awesome. It's really awesome. So you're excited for it, right?
Yeah, I'm hyped about it.
Yeah, I know we all are. So again, first time, never seen fireworks in person before, so I think you're gonna love it.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, so so be safe, man. Thank you so much for the interview.
Okay, no problem.
All right, we're here with two civilians. All right, how are you two guys right now?
We're good.
Yeah. Is this your first time here at the fireworks?
It is.
Yeah, it is?
Yeah, so we're pretty excited.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So,
Okay,
you
you
guys
have to
see the
understand.
fireworks on
I
television?
was not thinking.
Actually, no, I'm not from
I really want to be
Not from New York? Where you from?
But then I'm living here this year.
I'm from Canada.
Oh, Canada. Oh, so how do you guys like it here?
He's gonna be on the thing. At least you know trata de poner ahí agarrándose solo.
Good question. What do you think? What comes to you like when you see fireworks? You see just a big giant
I
explosion.
had the best. I think it's very exciting. The noise, the lights. It's so inspiring.
This one especially because Usher's doing it, so it's added. Added bonus.
Oh, you're a fan of Usher, huh?
Not really.
Yeah, I think you guys are gonna love it.
I was really like, the thing was
Not this one, but I've been to
me,
I've been to one in Queens and one in Jersey.
There's lots of people.
Yeah, I didn't think it'd be this crowded though.
Yeah, what do you know?
Yeah, definitely. So, all right, one final question. Are you guys like on a date right now?
No, in the front is too heavy.
4 years! Wow! Alright. Wow. Best of luck to you guys. I hope you guys have a great time together. Get married!
much, guys.
Exactly. No.
There's still more. They still live. They still live.
Alright, let me re-edit that real quick just to put a song that I remember seeing fireworks with from a certain movie.
There's still more. They still live. They still live.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Shonen, and if, for this particular video, I'm going to provide my Facebook link if you want to send me a message or friend me if you want to go for it. I am going to do my first anime rant on Shakugan no Shana, for those of you who know what it is. And, you know, I'll do more Let's Play games. I do anime rants. I'll probably do a movie rant, like on maybe Pacific Rim when it comes out, because I really love it. I'm looking forward to that movie. I mean, giant robots and monsters. What more can I ask for? All right. So so have a lovely Friday. Please subscribe, rate, comment, whatever you like. Okay. See ya.
ぎゅっとぎゅっと抱きしめいつもハッピーハッピーなことを